Hello there, Mark here. I've had the pleasure and sometimes pain of testing out quite a few e-bikes in my time, and today we're focusing on Aventon, a brand that's making waves in the e-bike world. These bikes are built for adventure, practicality, and yes, even a bit of fun. Over the next few sections, we'll be dissecting three of their top contenders: the Aventure 2, the Level 2 step-through Commuter, and the Sinch 2. Each of these bikes has its own personality, its own strengths, and yes, its own quirks. We'll be exploring what makes them tick, what kind of rider they're best suited for, and of course, which one comes out on top. So buckle up, grab your helmet, and let's dive into the world of Aventon e-bikes. First up, we have the Aventon Aventure 2, a bike that's as rugged as its name suggests. This is the Indiana Jones of the e-bike world, built for exploring uncharted territory and laughing in the face of dirt tracks. With its fat tires and powerful motor, the Aventure 2 is like a mountain goat on two wheels, capable of tackling hills and rough terrain with ease. I took this bad boy for a spin through the Cotswolds, and let me tell you, it handled like a dream. The suspension is 80 millimeters of suspension and soaked up the bumps like a thirsty sponge. The 750-watt motor provided ample power to conquer even the steepest inclines. Equipped with a torque sensor, this electric bike redefines the riding experience by seamlessly amplifying your pedaling cadence, providing a natural and intuitive feel. With 4 levels of pedal assist and throttle options, riders can effortlessly navigate various terrains, effortlessly conquering inclines and traversing challenging landscapes. Payload capacity up to 400 pounds, which is ample for camping gear. The only downside is the seating position. You are bent over a bit, but is needed for that extra stability on the trails. This is a bike that begs to be taken off the beaten path to explore hidden trails and conquer challenging terrain. Next, we have the Aventon Level 2 step-through Commuter, a bike that's as at home in the city as a pigeon in Trafalgar Square. This is the urban warrior of the Aventon lineup, designed for navigating crowded streets and conquering your daily commute with ease. The step-through frame makes it incredibly easy to hop on and off, even in a skirt or a kilt, and the powerful motor will have you zipping past traffic jams with a smug grin on your face. Top speed is 28 miles per hour and has a load capacity of 300 pounds, the motor a 500-watt hub motor, which is a little less than the Aventon 2 and does not have fat tires. The price is a little more than the Aventon 2 as well. However, the range is the same at 60 miles. Now, I'm not usually one for city living, but I have to admit this bike made even me enjoy the urban jungle. Its integrated features, including pre-installed fenders, a sturdy rear rack, and a front suspension fork, provide unparalleled protection from the elements and an effortless gear carrying experience. Thanks to the integrated battery and lights, you'll go further and stay visible. The smooth ride and responsive handling made weaving through traffic a breeze, and the powerful brakes gave me the confidence to stop on a dime. Finally, we have the Aventon Sinch 2, the compact car of the e-bike world. This little fella is all about convenience and portability. It folds down to a surprisingly small size, making it perfect for storing in small apartments or chucking in the boot of your car. But don't let its size fool you. The Sinch 2 is still a capable little machine. It might not have the raw power of the Aventure 2 or the urban agility of the Level 2, but what it lacks in brawn, it makes up for in sheer practicality. It has a 500-watt motor with range up to 55 miles. Top speed is 20 miles per hour. However, it has fat tires, fenders, rear rack for cargo, and a step-through frame for easy access. Simply unfold the bike, then hit the streets or go off-road. With the addition of a torque sensor and all new turn signal functionality, there's nowhere this bike can't go. A lower center of gravity makes you feel in complete control of the bike. My back was so happy because I didn't need to lean over to reach the handlebars. This is the perfect bike for those who want the freedom of an e-bike without sacrificing space or convenience. So there you have it, folks, 3 very different e-bikes, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. Which one comes out on top? Well, that depends entirely on your needs and riding style. If you're an adrenaline junkie who loves to explore the great outdoors, the Aventure 2 is your trusty steed. If you're a city slicker who wants to conquer the urban jungle with style, the Level 2 step-through Commuter is your perfect match. And if you're all about convenience and practicality, the Sinch 2 is your skalisor sandichi goko o. Highway to ride. The point is, there's an Aventon e-bike out there for everyone, so ditch the car keys, embrace the electric revolution, and find your perfect two-wheeled companion. And who knows, you might even catch me out there, on the open road, enjoying the silent power of an e-bike. Make sure to download your free e-bike guide in the comments below. And let me know what you think, which Aventon is best for you.